So, ano pa ba ang kulang natin dito? Yun na nga, eto. Yung part na to is medyo tedious yung paggawa natin ng ganito. And then, yung pagka-close natin, it is possible na magkaroon ng errors, okay, in the future. Now, may mas magandang way na gawin. So, i-comment natin to. Yeah, mas magandang way na gawin aside from doing that is by adding yung MySQLi underscore begin underscore transaction. Okay? And then lalagay lang natin yung connection natin dito. Ano ba ang gagawin nitong begin MySQLi begin transaction? In here, we can use try and catch. Okay? So para siyang if else kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-try ng ganito, okay? So itatry niya muna yung block na nandito sa loob, and then kapag hindi siya nag-succeed, pwede nating i-roll back yung yung ginawa nating query. Okay? Kasi dito, for example, let's say yes, eto, nag-succeed yung user natin, nakapag-insert siya. But then pagdating dito sa may pag-i-insert ng account, doon tayo nagkaroon ng error, nai-insert na natin yung full name and then yung password. Yan, yung password natin sa database. Okay? And then, gagawa pa tayo ng another query na i-check kapag, for example, nagkaroon ng error para i-delete yun, of course. Okay? Kasi, totally messed up naman dun sa may natin yun, sa database natin yun. So in here, we can use MySQLi begin transaction so that if anything happens in try, okay, we can then roll back. Okay, so we will going to use try catch, okay, in this case. Okay, so ilalagay natin dito si exception. And then lalagyan natin si $e. So this this exception is a class. So meaning to say, or reserved class, meaning to say ito yung mga pupwede lang natin na gamitin in this case at least. And then ito ang pupwede nyo lang baguhin dito is yung $e. Okay, so mamaya makikita nyo yan yung kung saan po ano ba yung magiging content nitong $e na ito. First, okay, so since sabi ko kanina, ang ginagawa natin is prepare, next is bind, next is execute, and then close. Okay, so we will now going to do that in a single block per kung ano yung ini-insert natin. For example, dun sa may user natin, we can add something like this. Okay, so ito yung prepared statements natin. Actually, ito lang din yan. Yun nandito sa may baba. So, ito siya. Bind natin yung parameter natin. Execute natin. And then, get natin yung user ID na na-insert. Kasi kailangan, para gumana po itong MySQL insert ID natin na yan, hindi natin siya po pwedeng ilagay dun sa may pinaka ilalim kapag na-fetch na natin yung account or gagawin na natin yung account. Kasi kailangan as in immediate na insert, makatch na natin kagad yung ating user ID once na ma-execute na natin siya agad. Now, in here, after ng user, we will going to add the password. Okay, and then as you can see, nag-close na kagad tayo. Okay? So, sa may password naman natin, similar lang din yung gagawin natin. Okay? Prepare, bind, execute, store. Okay? So, actually, hindi naman siya kasama dito sa may part na yun. Kailangan lang natin siyang i-fetch since nag-normalize tayo ng table. And then, close natin siya. Okay? And then, lastly, we will going to add the account. Something else like this. Okay, so prepare, insert, and so on and so forth. Okay, kasi meron na tayong user ID and then password ID. Now, in here, sa baba nung ating try, we're going to add mysqli underscore commit. Okay, and then alert tayo ng yung successfully registered. So, yan yung mangyayari kapag ka sa try. Okay. Sa catch naman, if anything happens, okay, kapag ka nagkaroon ng problem, okay, we will going to call mysqli underscore rollback and then $ connection. In that case, hindi, kapag may nag-error dito kahit na isa lang, okay, so mangyayari, i-rollback niya yung query. Kumbaga, as if nothing ever happens. Walang na-insert. Okay? Sa password man or dun sa my user man. Okay? So, and then, as you can see, mas malinis pa yung code natin. And then, lagay natin ngayon yung alert, registration, failed. So, ngayon, mas similar lang din yung ginagawa nito dito sa may ginawa natin sa baba. Pero much cleaner and much efficient yung ating coding this time.